Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farah Suraya binti Daud. I am from class ISMSKPP4. Today, me and my friends will present about the growth of Delivery Hero, which it is a company that owns the Foodpanda application. First and foremost, I would like to introduce our group members consisting me and myself, Farah Suraya, followed by Nurul Izzati binti Azizan and Nurul Izzati binti Ibrahim. Now we move to our first agenda, which I would like to share the timeline of Foodpanda history. Started in 2012 to 2013, Lucas Nagel and Rico Wider established a Foodpanda in numerous Southeast Asia countries. Moved 2015 until 2016, Rohit Cheda or a co-founder stepped down from the role at the company, and the company sold its delivery club business in Russia to Mail.ru for $100 million in November 2016. Next, in 2017 until 2020, on 1st November 2017, Foodpanda rebranded and changed its color from orange to pink with updated logo across all its countries following its acquisition by Delivery Hero. From 2019 to 2020, Foodpanda began operating in other markets in Southeast Asia, launching in Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, and Laos. Last but not least, in September 2021, Delivery Hero unified its subsidiary brand NetSpicer with Foodpanda in Hungary, with NetSpicer rebranding as a Foodpanda. In December 2021, Foodpanda stopped its food delivery service in all cities of Germany except the central, which is Berlin.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Izzati binti Azizan and my metric number is 060299. Now I will explain about synopsis of Foodpanda. Okay, first, Foodpanda is an online food and grocery delivery platform owned by Delivery Hero. Foodpanda operates as the flagship brand for Delivery Hero in Asia, with headquarters in Singapore. It is now the largest food and grocery delivery platform in Asia, outside of China, operating in 12 markets across Asia. For example, Germany, Hong Kong, Japan, Malaysia, and many more. Foodpanda processes and delivers orders directly to partner restaurants, then delivers food by delivery riders to customers. The service is available through its website and mobile application. It connects customers with restaurants that offer food delivery in their area and allow them to choose, order and pay online or offline. Customers order food by entering their zip code on site and browsing food from a list of restaurants. They can make a meal by browsing the restaurant menu and selecting the item they want to order before entering the address and proceed to payment. Foodpanda sends a message to confirm the orders and their estimate delivery time. Foodpanda also has a review section on the restaurant page, where customers can comment on the overall sales, delivery, taste and impression process of the restaurant. Lastly, this is a bit of synopsis of Foodpanda and how it works. The Foodpanda system is very important for today people because it makes it easier and save time to go out or cook. The Foodpanda goal is to become the world's fastest, most innovative business in the good food sector. Entertaining a unique brand of humor, at Foodpanda we believe that the best stories are created with creativity, wit, and a defined insight into local cuisine culture. Okay, next we move to the task in the Foodpanda application. First task is customer need to find the restaurant. Enter your area on the home page of the Foodpanda application. Then browse your extensive list of the restaurant that deliver to the area, and then pick a restaurant that you like and browse in the menu. After that, you can make your order. Customer can choose any meal by choosing from any favorite restaurant, then browse the menu and select the item that you like to order. If options are required, for example pizza topping, you will be asked to choose them on click the item. Your item will be appear on your cart right After the customer make an order, then he need to check out and payment. Once you are done with your order, click on the order now button and enter your delivery address. Then simply follow the checkout instruction. From there, Foodpanda are currently only accept cash on delivery. Foodpanda also require online payment that will be stored by the third-party payment service provider. The last task is the rider will be deliver the food. Foodpanda will send you an SMS confirmation for your order and delivery time, so you can relax and wait for the hot food to be delivered to you.
Now I will show you a few of executive teams from Delivery Hero that contribute together in the building Foodpanda application. First, we have Rico Wider, the first founder and CEO of Foodpanda. Secondly, Lucas Nagel, the co-founder of Foodpanda. Next, as the Foodpanda start to rise their name in marketplace, the executive team started to grow bigger. In 2017, Jacob Engel has become the CEO of Foodpanda, followed by Rolf Wenzel, where the founder and CEO for Global, and last but not least, the Christian Mischler, the co-founder and the global COO. Now we move to the next topic, which is the failure factors that causing Foodpanda failed to become a successful application. The first factor is there are fake restaurants and order. After Rohit and Mohit Chedar start to left the firm in 2016, the workers were unaware of the continuing challenges. They were getting calls from clients complaining that they did not deliver the food. Secondly, there is a miscommunication between the Foodpanda's personnel and user. Each happens It's happened when the customer would phone the restaurant about the delayed delivery, but the restaurant did not know that they used the application due to Foodpanda's lack of communication. Thirdly, there is a technological issue when there is an application named Ziner that has been launched in 2014 by Foodpanda co-founder and CEO, which is Rohit Cheda. First sight, Zainer's website and data resemble the Foodpanda's, and Cheda stated that he did not control the firm and Foodpanda's data was not shared. Fourth, a lack of ownership among the Foodpanda's leaders. And finally, there was the unstructured business model in developing Foodpanda businesses. Foodpanda bought Tasty located in Pune in 2014 to the company's creator, Sachin Bhadrawaj. Lacks of processes, false order or transaction, and financial irregulation were unacceptable. Foodpanda's downfall was inevitable.
After we know the factor of the failure in the Foodpanda project, so the lesson can be taken from this case is clear communication are very important in a project management. Foodpanda show the proof that the best project management success factor will fail without a proper communication. To run a project smoothly, consistent, effective communication needs to take place between the stakeholder and the client, and new change should be communicated to the team member to avoid a surprise attack. Being a project manager, the best thing that you can ensure that the communication line between you and your team member are always open so that anyone can give an idea without any second thought. Ineffective communication often leads to the failure of the project, so make sure that everyone has required information to make decisions and proceed with the project. Okay, next we reanalyze your team. The success of the project depends on the skill of the team members. An effective manager will always make an effort to get to know about his team members' strengths and weaknesses so that he can allocate work accordingly. If someone's strength is someone else's weakness, through an effective manager that will make sure that the work is given to the team member who is competent and faster are completing. That is because everyone has their own set of talent. Tapping into the strength of the team member will definitely ensure faster task complete and better time management. With everyone in a team put the best forward and making the most of their strength, the project will be nothing less than a success. Okay, finally, recognize the weakness and risk of the project. Risk management being one of the imperative project management practices today is essential for project success. To make sure your project is successful, potential risks need to be identified beforehand so that effective measures can be taken if they arise in the need of the hour. Knowing which area was successful will allow you to determine the difference between those areas and the part of the project that did not work so that adjustment can be made next time around. With considerable experience and expertise with a similar project, you will be able to foresee when the risk is imminent and when the corrective measures need to be taken. One of the most beneficial aspects of having a project fail is the opportunity it allows for you to evaluate any weakness and determine what needs to be done to strengthen those areas. Our suggestion and comment to system Foodpanda in terms of marketing. First, centralized purchase. Second, plan for a purchase. Focus on quality. Buy local. Build long-term supplier relationship. Explore outsourcing multiple purchase. Understand the cost of storing your inventory. And last, fundamentals of supply chain management on real-time demand. Next, suggestion or comment based on design and layout. First, fresh the content regularly. Make sure it has a call to action. Add contact information. Add image and video. Update your design to current standard. Improve page speed. And last, make it mobile responsive. That's all from me.